Hey guys, today's video is about how to share WhatsApp status on Facebook post. Let's get started. It's my WhatsApp status. Now randomly select one contact to send those status videos on WhatsApp. Tap let's hold on the video. Tap on these three dots and select share button. Now select Facebook and share. Let me check my Facebook account. Yes, it's been posting. Successfully posted on Facebook. If you like this tip, don't forget to hit like the video and subscribe if you're new here.